Hey YouTubers, we got this LG washer dryer set about 4 months ago, and there were some initial problems we had when they first arrived, which are still unresolved, but they're minor. On the whole though, we really enjoy them. So the units we have are the washer on the left, the LG WM5500 HVA, and the LG DLEX 5500V dryer. So things didn't start out great for us with the washing machine. After the delivery folks left, I realized this bolt was loose. So I got an 8mm wrench and I tried to tighten it up, but it wouldn't tighten up because the threads on the front of the washer are stripped out. And so this bolt would just spin round and round. LG customer service was very disappointing. I tried chatting with them twice. After spending several hours trying to do that and getting disconnected multiple times, I tried calling them. The person on the phone couldn't understand what I was explaining, the problem, and we got disconnected. And I emailed, and it took them several days to respond, and they said they would send a repair person out to investigate, but that there may be a charge for them to come out and investigate the problem. And so that was really not a good first impression. However, we have come to really enjoy the washing machine, and I put some thread lock on this bolt and it seems to be staying in place. So I'm going to say it right now, 4 months in, it's been an okay experience. If this thread lock compound on the bolt holds and it continues to work as it is working now, then it'll end up being a good purchase. Now, as you might imagine, my wife is the primary user, so I asked her what she liked and didn't like about the machines, and I have a few thoughts of my own. First thing I really like about this machine is our previous front load washer, which was also an LG. We had a real bad problem with water hammer. That's where the solenoid in the washing machine would open up and allow water to come in and then shut off abruptly. And it would make the pipes in the house bang very loudly. And I had to put multiple water hammer arresters on our hoses leading to the washing machine. And it would fix the problem, but it would wear out those water hammer arresters every year or so. So it doesn't do that with the new one, which I absolutely love. So zero water hammer with the new machine. That's a huge improvement. It's a 4.5 cubic foot capacity, front load Energy Star washer with turbo wash and what LG calls AIDD, built-in intelligence. They say built-in sensors use AI technology to detect fabric texture and load size, then automatically select the right wash motions, temperatures, and more for advanced fabric care. Well, what we like best about it, the tub is bigger than our old machine, even though the outside dimensions are the same. And so they're also much quieter than the units they replaced. They have a lot more laundry options. And it's big enough that we can now wash a king-size comforter using the bedding settings on this machine, and we no longer have to go to the laundromat. So that is awesome. It's simple to use. Even I can use it. Throw the laundry in there, put a little soap in, and just push go, and it'll figure it out. These are available in white or graphite color. We kind of like the silver. We thought that was kind of pretty. It looks very high-tech and looks kind of expensive. If you've got a laundry room where you can show off your washer dryer, you might really enjoy these because they look really nice. The tub cleaning cycle is awesome, and it's easy to adjust the washer and dryer temperature and run times. Now, the dryer has an even bigger capacity. It is a 7.4 cubic foot, ultra large capacity, smart front load electric Energy Star dryer with sensor dry and steam technology. And we are able to do a king size comforter in here and get it dry with no problem at all. Again, both machines are the same outside dimensions as the ones we had, but they have a much larger internal capacity and seem to deal with large loads so much better than our old machines did. Other than the problem with the bolt on the washing machine door, we've not had any problems with the machines at all. They work wonderfully. We really like them. There are a few little nitpicky things that could be improved on. The control readouts could be brighter. They're a little hard to see, and they could be larger. Because they're down low, you have to kind of stoop over to see the different settings. And it would be nice if that was a bigger display. But as you can see, there are many options. The tub clean coach reminder on the washing machine is a little, I think, overdoes it. It reminds you to clean the tub a little more frequently than is necessary, especially given that we rarely ever clean the tub on the old LG washer and never had a problem. So we kind of ignore about every other one of those reminders before we do a tub cleaning. We both really like the LG app that goes with these machines. It's called Think, T-H-I-N-Q. You get reminders on your phone and or smartwatch whenever your wash or dry cycle is completed. And I really like that because I have a bad habit of leaving laundry in the dryer and it gets wrinkled. There are additional laundry cycles that you can download and customize and then install on the machines from the app. You can change things like the chimes they make at the end of the cycle and what have you. You can track the number of uses as well as your energy consumption. It has a smart diagnosis feature that can alert you if the machine detects a problem. And there's software updates that you can install via the app. And the user manual is accessible from the app. So we are really enjoying using these machines. Like I said, we had a little bit of a build quality issue on the bolt on the washer, but we have enjoyed using these so much since we got them that we really can kind of let that one slide. We're very happy with the purchase, and my wife likes the Think app so much that when it came time to buy a new refrigerator, we bought another LG so she can use the same app. So that's very high praise, considering how particular we are, that we like them so much we bought another LG appliance. So I hope you find this helpful.